Guys, I love winter season. Like winter season is my favorite season during the entire year, and I cannot wait every year for winter to arrive. But you know what? With winter, there are so many problems that also arise, and without even welcoming them, they come to the doorstep of our life, I would say. And the problems I'm talking about is this and this. Yes, hair and skin, if you didn't understood. So today I will be showing you and I will be spilling some of my secrets how to tackle with the winter season problems. So hi guys, here I am Bhuvneshwari Pari again with a new brand video. So if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends and family. So with this, let's continue with today's video. So the product today I will be showing you is this, the product from Indus Valley Bioorganic range, and I cannot say you guys how it helps me in tackling this winter season problem in my day-to-day life. So let's open this pack and see what all we have. So guys, when you open this pack, you can see we have four powders. One is sandal, the other one is neem, then orange and mulethi. So all these are the powders, and the sandal one is for skin, neem one is for hair and skin both. Orange is again for only skin, and the mulethi one is for hair and skin. So guys, these are the DIY powders, and you have to mix it with water or rose water. In case you want to apply it to your hair, you can use it with water, and if you want to apply it to your skin, you can also mix it with rose water. So guys, by the way, these products do not have any kind of chemicals in it. So guys, today I have used the neem one for my hair and the sandalwood one for my face, and I am feeling so freaking good that I forgot to wear makeup even. Like I wanted to avoid makeup for a day because I wanted to flaunt my skin. You can see how glow it looks, because in winter now our skin gets so dry and dull, but I feel like I have got that nourishment back in my skin and I'm so happy with it. So let's go guys and let's see the video and how I have used it. I cannot wait to show it to you guys. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and comment down which one of the Indus Valley product you have tried till now, and let me know your experience in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends and family so that they can tackle with these winter problems as well. So bye guys, I will see you soon with the new brand video. Till then, take care, stay safe, good night.